Pulling in something heavy. Not a fish. Wait a minute. What's this? Might be a crab. Look like a Dungeness crab. Pulling in something heavy. Might be some seaweed. Looks like a crab. I don't know what it is. If you are a male and at least 6 inches, keeping you, buddy. I didn't bring my ruler. Oh yeah, we got us a crab. Heavy little joker too. What are you, male or female? Oh, female. Caught my first crab. Unlock my bail. Work you off of my hook. So that's an exciting catch. Stay away from those pinchers. Since you're a female, can't keep you. So I'm gonna get you released as quickly as possible. This is how you distinguish if it's a male or female. Females have a wide apron. Female have a wider apron than the male. The male's apron goes straight up and it's narrow. I don't know if the pinchers hurt, but I definitely don't want to find out. On. Well, I'm gonna get this released and get back to fishing. Nice catch though. Out here about 4 o'clock. Did a little bit of fishing just to get an idea of what the water conditions was, the correct bait, which I didn't have. I might do a better chant on my fish catching. We're going to batten down for the night. Just catch the edge of that. Secure it down. Now I think I'm going to have to change the direction of the truck so I can block this wind. Here's some lights so we can see what we're doing. This goes on this window. This down first. That out the way in a moment. We're here now. We got as much light as we need. We're in no hurry. And these two, there's a 12-pound tranquility blankets. Be underneath this as a top. This wire here goes here. Up there. Can you give me that rod from up top? So I gotta put the lead up at the tip and then break it into a two-piece. Success. That's my main concern. I don't want this hook to get into nothing. Secure this hook properly. Well, this is, I shouldn't have it like this. Can you hand me that masking tape? And be careful, there's other stuff on top of that. There we go, yeah. That'll work, thank you. Now I'm just gonna put some masking tape on it. I should have did earlier today. I was just happy to get up here. Didn't think about the nighttime. It is dark. It gets dark very fast. That's why I like to get here early part of sunset. Reel in all that extra, get this, there we go, get that up to the tip. That hook catching no one, there we go. Tomorrow, I just want to get going, having this stuff hovering above us. All right, and then this right here goes right there. Real simple, just like that. It's protecting you from the wind. You can take this light up, make sure everything's out of the tailgate tracking, and voila. See that? Put a light up there, two magnets together, chrome magnet off of it. Yeah. All right, go behind, okay? Before I lock it in, there we go. All right, let it go. I don't want to get it on the lock. Like that. Okay, and then the other one will lay over the front, cover the front window, and we'll be good to go. All right, we are set. Got the TV room together?
Almost.
Almost.
Yeah.
Got the dressing room over here. Get the dressing room, get the TV room. Behind there is the kitchen. We can prevent any light from entering. All right, that takes care of our night shelter. That takes care of our shelter. So we are good to go. So tomorrow is another day, a full day. Got here about 3-4 o'clock. Everything is secured and properly stored. Got to the campgrounds at a decent hour. It got dark really fast. And so what's that?
Oh, I said this movie might be good right here. Is this
Oh, you got a movie?
I think so. I hope so.
Yeah. And we in the place to be. Chilling.
Let me see if this. Oh, you're recording.
Yeah, I'm recording. And so didn't have to make that drive all the way back to Portland. Normally I would have to do that, but this is really good. And so another one of those spur of the moments. And
Oh yeah, I don't know if that's right.
cost $20 for 2 nights, even though we might just stay 1 night. We have the option at least. Now break that $20 down to $10. But this is how we do it. Am I dragging you along for the ride?
No.
Oh, okay.
I like doing this stuff.
Oh, okay.
I always like doing this stuff.
All right.
Just haven't done it for a long time.
Yeah. All right. Well, this is my first time doing it, so we came out here as a first time. Now we came out here several times. So this is getting to be very often now.
So that means that it's not your first time.
well, yeah, it's getting to become very often. And we don't have no bad experiences, so I think this is something that can be continued. And it's just getting better and improved. Now we're thinking about buying camping gear, actual camping gear, so that way we can cook breakfast either on the beach or when we get back from the beach. And so, but lately it's just been a fast-paced action. It's like unload everything and secure everything, and that's that. So maybe on one of these 3-day holiday weekends, we can have a full day from morning to night and then morning again. But I'm pretty pleased on how this came together. Didn't cost too much. Didn't have to spend too much money on buying extra stuff. I know that light is bright. And so, yep. Well, until tomorrow, I'll let you later. 2 and 2. Deuces. Beautiful, bright morning. Rise and shine, up and at 'em. Very peaceful night last night. I'm gonna hit the beach. Well, it wasn't the catch that I wanted, but nevertheless, it's a catch. Little tiny flounder, and boy, did he take it down deep. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to save it. Well, time to make that walk back to the truck. Going into low tide. Just got through fishing through high tide. Caught 2 sculpins and 1 undersized flounder. Been looking for sand fleas. But haven't been able to find any. So, I think I'm gonna go to another beach and try my luck there. Fish on. Feel like a little silver. Going into beginning of low tide. Right. Natural color bait. Camel golf sandworm. Natural color. Happy to have you. All right, this one got caught admirable size. I think this is about 6 inches. Stay hitting these flounders. Stay taking it deep. Open wide. Hold still. Hold still. Time to do the respectable cleaning. We'll get these fishes clean and gut and on ice as quickly as possible. For these size, this is the best method of getting the most out of the meat that I found. Gill right on out. Peel the fin off, they're easier to bake and fillet. And you won't have as many little bones. Nice and clean. You need to bake it for this size. Still respectable size for a meal. Also meat something here. You got your deli meat. You definitely want to get it on ice as quickly as possible. And then of course you want to get it on ice as quickly as possible. I keep a dry bag with blocks. And so it's coming out of getting ready to go to low tide. So I figure I'll come and process this one before I go out to make any attempts for any more. But you want to get them processed and on ice as quickly as possible. Well, coming into high tide. You haven't gotten any bigger, but I am happy to have you. I think I'll let this one go. Live to see another day. Grow bigger, my man. Thank you for the fun. Fish on. This one feels a little bit better than the rest of them. I think it's still on there. I don't think I lost it. Might be swimming towards me. Let's see. Yeah, still some weight on there. Still feel a tug on there. Oh, that's a little scoping. Oh no, okay, all right. You're doing a little better. Oh, it just came off. Still putting the pieces together. Perfect practice makes perfect.